So today I'm going to have a go at trying to make this look a little bit better. The mini haute couture French. The box is battered and it's a shame because such a lovely thing. There's lots inside that needs to be repaired. There's a lovely mannequin. Obviously the box is quite ripped. I'll show you how to repair the box the best we can, and the elastics. You need to get all the items out. Assess the damage on each thing. I think if I can keep hold of some of the fabric, I will do. I'm going to, there's some tape measures, a few little bits and pieces I think I might need to add to it. I think what I need to do is maybe find an original on eBay or Etsy or whatever and see what the finished product looks like. And then I can, you know, have something to work towards. But it's a project and I'll talk you through each step.